Hello, hello, welcome back to another episode of I, Captain of My Ship. Today I like to show you a drawing of something, how you can tell your child that it knows for sure that it's being loved by both parents after a divorce. Because this is something a child may start to wonder after you've had a split up, your breakup, and you just want to show your child that it's still being loved by both parents. And of course, it doesn't always look at it not only looks at what you say, but especially looks at your actions. But this is one of the actions you can take as a parent. And before I show you the picture, I like to tell you that I like to remind you of the workshop, March 15th, 8 till 9:30 p.m. Amsterdam time, about space for emotions and limits for behavior with children. So if you want to know more, just see below description where you can how you can say that you also want to be part of this workshop. I hope to see you there. And for now, here is my drawing. And for those ones who are listening, I draw a triangle with uh, one side there's mom, the other side a dad, and at the other side is child. And this is a drawing that you can show to your child and tell your child that this is your family after the divorce. Um, the child is here and it still, after divorce, has a mommy and a daddy. So it still has both of them. The biggest difference is that mom and dad do not live in the same house. There's a cross in the line of the triangle between mom and dad. I may hope you still can you can still feel support for the other parent, but you do not love each other enough to stay in the same house and to live in the same house. So that's why you will live in separate houses. But the child is here and in the other side of the triangle, and there's a side with mom and a side with dad, and those two sides are still intact. There's nothing wrong with these sides, because a child knows that it still has a mom and a dad, and they both love the child, even though their love has come to an end. It doesn't mean there is an end to the love that the father has for a child and the mother has for a child. So this love will not end, and um, it will always continue. So this is something, an easy drawing that you can also show to your child and discuss this with your child and tell your child and make sure that it feels this way, that even though we do not live in the same house anymore, I still love you, and your father or mother also still loves you. And I think it's important for a child to assure a child that despite the differences and the different house you live in, it can still know that it's being loved. And of course, show this love to your child. I hope that's it for today. It was a short message for today. I hope it really helped you. It will help you to have a conversation on what you can do to show your child that you still love it. You can also talk about it, of course. What can I do to show you that I love you? You can just have a conversation about it. And then a child can see and say what it has on its mind, and maybe you can schedule some fun activities and start collecting good memories together. And I think that's what a child needs and is looking for. And it will also do you good to work and build on the relationship that you have with your child. And again, don't look at the other parent. What the other parent may do, it's none of your business anymore. It is your business how your relationship is with your child. That's your responsibility and nothing else. Your responsibility is to make sure that you build and work on a good relationship with your child again. And I know you have everything you need already inside of you. And I know your child trusts you, and I know that your child will always give you a second chance and a third chance and a fourth chance and will keep loving you. So just take those chances and work on your relationship. It's so wonderful to build a new and good relationship with your child. It's really worth starting to build this. And I hope that's it. I hope I inspired you. That's it for today. Talk to you after the weekend. Bye bye.